Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now, let's get right in today's content. If you guys can already see on the screen as to what we will be discussing today, we are going to be talking about Sonm. What is happening with the price? As you guys may know, just a few months back, Sonm did a 30x in just a matter of a few hours. Obviously, that was whale manipulation. But you can see on January 22nd, which is today, we are seeing Sonm up about 73.1%. Is this time to see this thing fly again, once again, to those prices? That's what we're going to discuss in today's topic. But before I begin, I just want to say that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the price of Sonm, currently trading at $1, it is up 73.1% in the last 24 hours in USD. Comparative also up 78.1% in Bitcoin and about 77.5% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is only sitting at $44 million. So prior to this massive pump, it was currently sitting at that $20 million zone. And the 24-hour trading volume has increased quite a bit. Obviously, we are seeing the price go insane. The volume is almost more than double its market cap. So what's going on? Before I go into this, guys, this is one of the coins, like, the BUSD pair on Binance, and we always have once in a while these BUSD pairs just going absolutely insane. Could this be whale manipulation? It possibly could be, and these are some extremely risky plays. And obviously, if you want to make some gains within the markets and you want to have like more risk exposure, these are some of the altcoins that you could be looking at, some low cap gems. And there is a way to make money out of these, but if you catch these things on the wrong time, you could literally be burnt out very, very fast. So this is very risky, extremely risky. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and it's always good to buy these type of projects, especially if you're buying low cap gems before these kind of pumps. Never buy it when it has pumped up already like this. But we're going to discuss whether or not we are about to see a round 2 happen, because guys, BUSD pairs can fly very high in the right time zone. Obviously, now we are seeing markets kind of cool off right now, and we are going to see BUSD pairs start flying off. We are seeing Sonm really start this upwards trend. What is the next one? That's what we're going to discuss right now. But looking at Sonm, like I've mentioned, if you picked up some Sonm just a few hours ago, let's say you just bought it like even earlier this morning at that 58 cents, you have already doubled your money. And this is where I would be locking in my profits if I bought back in around this time zone. But let me show you something. This is what happened last time. And we do have the community, the cryptocurrency community, that likes to trade these gems. Again, this is not something I encourage, but if you do want to try it out, or you are already part of the Sonm community, I will tell you what you need to be watching out for. Right now, if you did buy back yesterday, what I would strongly encourage you guys to do is lock in profits. If you don't want to lock in profits, you think that it's going to keep going up and see a move like this where it went to $13, one thing I want you guys to keep very close in mind is that place stop loss orders as soon as possible. I totally encourage you guys to do that. The reason why a stop loss is extremely important is because if the price were to go below a specific range, your profits get locked out, so you don't lose your profit. So that's something I would definitely encourage if you think it's going to keep going towards the upside. And if we're going to kind of make a judgment as to where the price could be heading, you guys can see the price did wick all the way up to that $1.14 mark, which kind of played as a level of resistance for us. And right now we are being supported by this range. And remember, the volume is there right now. The spike is something that we should be keeping in mind. But like I said, have your stop losses in place. If we were to see a breakout out of that $1.24 range, guys, I do expect that this thing can fly higher. Remember, it's a low cap coin, only $44 million. And these whales tend to manipulate the markets to really help one another out. So this is why I believe there is a chance that this thing can fly further, but extremely risky. If you already bought it, this is only for the people that have already bought this prior to the pump. If you want to know whether it's going to go higher or not, like I've mentioned, it has the potential to go higher. You know, if we're looking at the overall volume come in, it's there. It's more than double its market cap. But as I say that, I strongly encourage you guys, if you have not already done so, go put a stop loss on your orders. Put a stop loss on. In case it goes down, you are walking away with your profits. And this thing, like you know, let me show you guys what it did just a few months back. You know, this is just back on November. We saw this thing go from 25 cents all the way up to $14, a 53x in just a matter of few days. And one thing, you know, that is quite impressive is that it never really managed to go back to those 25 cents range. You know, we consolidated around that, you know, 75-50 cent range for quite some time, and it never really managed to go back to that 25 cents mark. So that is a positive thing to take away from that. But like I've said, and I'll mention it again, extremely risky. Have your buy orders, your stop loss orders placed in now, and if you do see a lot of gains being made, make sure you lock in profits. There's good projects out there with real utility, strong fundamentals. That's where you want to be throwing all these profits if you are making profits with these kind of coins. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going in the immediate short term, and what are your thoughts on this. Did you guys pick some up prior to the pump, or are there other altcoins that you guys are watching right now on the BUSD pair? Let me know down below. Looking at the price of BTC is taking a little bit of a cool off right now. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is you know, right now trading at 22,400. I'm still very bullish. As you guys know, we're above $22,000 mark, but we are about to retest this 22,000 level of support now, and we need the price of Bitcoin to stay above that level of support. I cannot stress this enough. The support level is extremely important for the price of Bitcoin, and if it holds, that is definitely a positive point to take away from this. But that is it for today's update. I really you know, thank each and every one of you guys to really stop by and show the support. Do not forget to smash the like button and comment down below any other BUSD pairs that you guys are watching. And like I've said, you know, like the video, comment and subscribe, and come join the Crypto ZX army. And also let me know which other altcoins that you guys want to see me cover on my channel. Any specific altcoins you like that you need coverage on, let me know down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.